Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on robotics. Today we are going to explore the exciting world of robots and how they are changing our lives. Robotics is a field of engineering that focuses on the design, construction and use of robots. Robots are machines that can perform tasks automatically or with minimal human supervision. They are changing the way we live, work and play, and they have the potential to revolutionize many industries. One of the most well-known applications of robotics is in manufacturing. Robots are used to assemble products, perform repetitive tasks, and increase efficiency in the production process. They can work faster and more accurately than humans and can work 24/7 without any breaks. Another area where robots are making a big impact is in healthcare. Medical robots are being developed to assist with surgeries. They have the potential to make healthcare accessible and affordable for people all over the world. In addition to these practical applications, robots are also being used for entertainment and educational purposes. From robot toys to educational robots, there is a growing number of ways for people to learn about and interact with robots. And that's it for today's video on robots. I hope you learned something new about the exciting field of robotics and how it's changing our lives. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Let me know in the comments what you think about robots and their role in our future. What is your idea? See you in the next one.